Hi, in earlier videos, we learned how to design AI solution. Today, we will look at, the other side. Why many AI solutions fail in real organizations. Failure thinking is what separates experienced AI engineer from beginners. And, a large number of, AI projects never reach production. Others work in lab but fail after deployment. So, today we will understand it. So let's understand the AI solution failure in real organizations. The critical importance of failure thinking in AI engineering. Failure thinking helps AI engineers anticipate and prevent the issue that commonly break AI system after deployment. And why it matters, let's understand it. Lab performance rarely reflects real world complexity. Most AI failures comes from flawed assumption and poorly defined business problems. Strong metrics like accuracy, precision, recall do not guarantee real world success. So let's understand common risk. Noisy inputs, changing environment and unexpected edge cases. Misaligned stakeholders and unrealistic expectations. Weak communication between engineers and business teams, and poor data governance leading to drift or bias over time. So what failure thinking enables? Well, holistic engineering, data validation, monitoring, risk modeling, better alignment with real workflow and human decisions making, more resilient, trusted, and suitable AI system. So these are the critical importance of failure thinking in AI engineering. Now selecting the right business problem for AI. So teams often choose poorly defined, non-actionable or unsuitable business problems, causing AI solutions to fail despite working technically. And why this happened? Well, no clear connection to a real business decisions or measurable improvement. Models built without understanding workflow, decision owners, or operational constraints. Technically, existing use cases prioritize over time high impact operational needs. So, the key risks are models become irrelevant if decision makers cannot act on output. Benefit may not justify the cost of acting on predictions. Late discovery of missing, biased, or low quality data leads to project collapse. So, what good problem require selection requires? Well, clear success metrics and decision ownership. Early feasibility check like data availability, quality, and domain constraints. Involvement of domain expert to surface hidden nuance. So the outcome is choosing the right well-scoped business problem ensure AI delivers measurable value aligned with organization's goal and integrates smoothly into real workflow. Why data issue break AI systems? Let's understand it. So even advanced models fail when trained on poor, incomplete, or biased data. Low quality data leads to misleading pattern, inaccurate prediction, and unstable behavior. So, common data quality challenges are misleading values, inconsistent format, duplicates, and unreliable external sources, which requires heavy effort for cleaning, profiling, labeling, and governance. Bias and fairness risk, let's understand it. So historical bias like demographics imbalance, outdated processes, narrow sampling get amplified in models, which leads to fairness issue and poor generalization across diverse users or new scenarios. So, why managing data is critical? Well, effective data governance and ongoing monitoring ensure AI remains robust and reliable and aligned with dynamic real world environment. Lab to real world gaps. Why this gap cause AI failures? Let's understand it. Well, models are developed in clean, controlled environment but deployed into noisy, unpredictable real-world conditions. Real inputs differ from training data, inconsistent format, sensor noise, unexpected user behavior, and unseen edge cases. So, some of the example of real world are vision model fail with low lightning or new object types. Language models struggle with slang, multilingual inputs, or ambiguous phrasing. Systems face latency limits, hardware issues, API failure, and network issues. So operational fragility is depending on upstream downstream system increase failure risk. Broken pipeline can lead to misleading feature, wrong prediction, or silent error. Lack of stress testing cause failure under high load or rare scenarios. So, how to bridge the gap? Conduct real world validation, stress test, and adversarial testing. Use phased rollouts and user feedback loops. Implement robust fail-safe and monitoring to ensure safe, reliable behavior in production. So, why monitoring matters? Well, many AI systems fail due to missing monitoring framework, causing undetected accuracy drop, data drift, and performance decay. Effective monitoring should track accuracy, anomalies, latency, uptime, and decision impact with real-time alerts. Importance of human oversight. Let's understand it. Well, AI should support, not replace, human judgment, especially at high-stake areas like finance, healthcare, and public services. Oversight enable contextual understanding, error correction, and escalation for unusual or risky cases. So, AI failure often stem from human and organizational issues such as misaligned expectations, poor communication, and low user adoption. Strong governance, cross-function collaboration, and transparent expectation management are essential for building trust and ensuring successful deployment. Well, in the next video, we will learn how AI teams work with business stakeholders, the human side of AI solution. So, see you in next video. Thank you.